Hey everyone, I'm here with a quick video on Charlamagne Tha God. Charlamagne Tha God was being accused of SA, being accused by a lady named Jessica, and she said it happened back in 2001 when she was only 15 and Charlamagne Tha God was 22. She made several attempts to try to make him pay for the crime she is accusing him of, but each and every time, unfortunately, she was not really successful. This latest lawsuit that she filed in 2022, the judge has recently thrown it out and said that she did not have enough information. Plus, the statute of limitations have run out. In addition to that, the judge said she's not even going to give her an opportunity to amend the lawsuit because she says she don't even think that if she gave her that opportunity, and I'm summarizing it for you, that Jessica would have enough evidence to make this case go forward. So let's go ahead and get into this story. I will say this. I think what we have to teach the ladies in this world is that you always have to be careful, go with your instinct, and if an older man is speaking to you and trying to talk to you, and I cannot say Charlamagne Tha God did or did not do this, but I'm just saying if you're 15 and someone is 22 is trying to talk to you, just assume ill intent and run and don't look back. Breakfast Club host Charlamagne Tha God victorious in legal battle with the sexual assault accuser. Charlamagne Tha God shut down his sexual assault accuser's lawsuit, and the case has been officially dismissed. In Touch can exclusively report. According to court documents obtained by In Touch on September 30th, a federal judge in New York dismissed the claims of sexual assault and battery brought by Jessica Nicole Reed against Charlamagne Tha God. The order noted that the claims were filed past the statute of limitations. Further, the court dismissed Jessica's claims for defamation. I will say this, to prove defamation of character is almost darn near impossible. You have to have so much information. But I feel for Jessica. She is stating something happened to her and she was brave enough to come forth. It took her a long time, but she was brave enough to come forth. And unfortunately, it was not victorious for her. The judge denies Jessica the opportunity to amend her lawsuit, noting Jessica has not demonstrated that an amended complaint would cure any of the pleading's defects. The judge ordered the case to be closed. Jessica filed her lawsuit against the Breakfast Club host in 2022. She accused him of sexual assault, battery, and defamation. According to Jessica, the alleged incident took place in 2001 when she was 15 and he was 22. Jessica did not cooperate with authorities during the investigation. That's a little problematic right there, because if you are bringing this to the authorities and you're saying something is happening, no matter how difficult it is, you have to cooperate with them if you want to see justice. So Charlamagne denied the allegations and took a DNA test for police. The radio host ended up pleading to a reduced charge of contributing to the delinquency of a minor and was sentenced to 3 years probation. Now, that piece right there is the piece I'm not understanding. So he was guilty of something, and I just wonder what that something was. Again, prayers out to Jessica. In her lawsuit, Jessica detailed the alleged incident in 2001. She said she met the entertainer through a friend. She said they became friends themselves, which led to him inviting her to a party on June 8, 2001 at a short stay Naval Recreation Center. She claims she drank something that Charlamagne provided her, which she said made her feel dizzy. She claims she felt hurt as if her legs gave out and she could not walk. I said it before and I'll say it again. It seems like Hollywood in general, not just Digley, Hollywood in general, because we heard that Bill Cosby did similar things like this, right? Slip people stuff. That Hollywood in general has this sick thing that they do when they want to take advantage of somebody, and that is slip something in their drink. Jessica claimed 2 men took her upstairs and assaulted her in a bathroom. She said the radio host then entered the bathroom and took her to a bedroom. She claimed Charlamagne assaulted her in the bedroom. Here's the other piece to this. Did she sue these other 2 men also? I'm just wondering. Did she also try to come for those 2 individuals that she said first assaulted her in the bathroom? I will also add to this and say that I will never understand how these men do these things and they all back to back violate allegedly one person. It's just unbelievable. Charlamagne was having sex with Miss Reed and she could not do anything about it. Jessica lawyers wrote. Jessica claims she called her mom, who then called the police. The suit claimed Jessica was taken to Somerville Medical Center. Her lawyer said Jessica gave a statement to the police, but ended up deciding not to press charges. But if she was 15, how could she decide not to press charges? I thought automatically they would press charges. I don't know. This is crazy. The suit claims Charlamagne spoke out about the situation years later. She said that the radio host spread false claims about her. She claimed he accused her of lying about what happened. Every time Miss Reed turns on the radio and hears his voice, sees him on TV, and walks past his books in the stores, she is reminded of what Charlamagne did to her. Her lawsuit read. Charlamagne's attorney, Michael Weinstein, said after the lawsuit was filed, "We are confident that Ms. Reed's Maryland civil lawsuit in which she represents herself will be promptly dismissed." Well, maybe that's problematic too, because she was representing herself. That could be another reason why she lost. This is the same sexual assault claim that was fully investigated and dismissed by authorities in South Carolina more than 21 years ago. At that time, my client voluntarily submitted his DNA, and it was confirmed his DNA was not found in her R kit. It is also the same matter that Ms. Reed tried to reopen in 2018 that the South Carolina Solicitor General declined to reopen, suggesting, among other things, it was not ethical to do so. In his official response in court, Charlamagne's lawyer argued Reed has persisted in broadly disseminating her unsubstantiated claims, ignoring that the South Carolina solicitor in 2018 denied her request to reopen the case due to lack of evidence, while confirming that no basis existed to bring S.A. charges against Charlamagne. The radio host lawyer continued, "Witnesses have attested to the fact that Charlamagne had already left the party when the alleged assault occurred. He said that the entertainer had the right to speak out and defend himself publicly." Listen, it seems like she was not a good advocate for her own case. It appears from the article she didn't even have a lawyer. And I could only say about this situation here is I understand how he got off, and I just wish this young lady well. At this point, she tried, it did not work. I would say if she's not in therapy, she should get therapy. And she's going to unfortunately have to let go of trying to sue him civilly and make him pay the way she wants him to pay, and just move on with her life and try her best to heal. That's all I can say in this particular case, because she tried, and apparently there's no lawyer that is willing to help her out. Because if you're representing yourself, that tells me you obviously can't afford a lawyer, and maybe you went to lawyers who didn't even want to take this thing on for pro bono for you. So anyway, guys, chat with me in the comments, and when I get an opportunity, I will chat back. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. Everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next video. And let me know your thoughts on this situation and Charlamagne Tha God and the young lady that was suing him. Thank you, guys. See you on the next video.